Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches, and you cannot do anything. You can try to soft reset or force restart it, and all you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is in this configuration at the top or on the right side of the device, and press it long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo, which will be a sign that you've just successfully reset the system. So let me try to do it. Let me press the power button. Let's keep pressing. And as you can see, we've got this restart option right here, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen does not respond. What is more, we had the information at the bottom of the screen that we have to long press power button for approximately 10 seconds. And as you can see, we had the black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo. I also felt the vibration, which simply means that we just successfully reset the system, and in a while your device will turn on itself. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.